There's probably a simple solution to getting your Frigidaire top-load washer running as it should. If your unit was just installed, here are a few things to note. Make sure the power cord fits tightly in the wall outlet. Still no power? Check to ensure a house fuse isn't blown or the circuit breaker tripped. You can also check to make sure the water supply faucets are turned on. Make sure the washer lid is closed. Your washer will not start if the lid is open. After making your selections, don't forget to press the Start Pause button. If you don't press the Start button, the washer will automatically turn off after 10 minutes. The first 2 minutes of the cycle are spent sensing the size of the load, so you may not hear the water filling right away. Water will start to run once the sensory cycle is complete. Any changes attempted after the cycle starts will cause lights to flash and a signal to beep, not change the cycle. To change or cancel a cycle after it is started, press power to stop and then power again so you can change your selections. If activated, the control lock indicator light will be illuminated on your display. To deactivate, press soil level and temp at the same time and hold for 3 seconds. If the cycle appears to have stopped, your washer may just be in a pause stage. This is perfectly normal. A pause will occur between the wash and spin cycles, with an additional pause during the soak cycle. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.